Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Samsung and opening Settings. This is where system features live. Tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls so you access Bedtime Mode controls. Once there, you see Schedule and Toggles. This matters because Bedtime Mode silences notifications and changes screen behavior. Make sure you're viewing the correct profile if you use multiple users. Now tap Bedtime Mode to enter its detailed settings so you can adjust or turn it off entirely. You'll now decide whether to stop automatic activation or disable the feature entirely. If you want it off only at specific times, tap Schedule and switch the schedule toggle off. This prevents automatic engagement. If you want no bedtime mode at all, flip the main bedtime mode toggle to off, which immediately restores regular notifications and screen behavior. Also check the Do Not Disturb link. Make sure it isn't still set to activate with bedtime mode, so notifications return as expected. Once done, exit settings and test by sending yourself a notification or checking screen brightness changes during the former bedtime window. This confirms it's off. If changes don't apply, restart your phone because a reboot clears lingering system states and forces settings to reload. If problems persist, open Digital Wellbeing and use Reset App Preferences or Reset Digital Wellbeing Settings. This clears custom rules. If those steps fail, update your phone software, because bugs can prevent toggles from taking effect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.